Hey, I'm Lou and you're watching Live Free and DIY. This is a survival bracelet. This is a survival bracelet you buy at the store. This one is no good. You can see there is a difference in the pattern. This one is one that I made, and it is what I call quick release. There are two little tabs right there that you pop out, and you can slide the whole piece off, and you have about 10 feet of paracord. This one has a little tab that you pop out, and you have to unravel bit by bit. So I'm going to show you the difference. First, I'm going to unravel this one, then I'm going to make a brand new one and show you how quickly it is to unravel that one. So let's get a timer going.
And I'll click start.
4 minutes, 25 seconds. And we've got about 10 feet of paracord. To make one of these, you need a plastic clip, paracord, a knife to cut, some matches, and a ruler. Bring you closer. So the first step of this is to actually create one piece that will go in the middle. So we're going to cut this piece to about 24 inches. And we're going to burn off the ends so they don't fray. Okay, step one. Get these to be about half. Grab this piece, and we want to thread these pieces 4 times around this and then through this hole. So to do that, we thread this like this, and we thread that. Now that's only 2, and see how it's loose? We actually want to do it again. So this takes a little bit of finagling, but basically just slide one and then slide the other one. Try to get it as tight as possible and see how that fills up so it looks a lot nicer. For the next part, you need about 10 feet of paracord. So to measure that out, I'm actually going to go from fingertip to fingertip because I am about 5 feet and 11 inches. I know that I'll get about 12 feet, so I'll do one whole arm length, another whole arm length, and then just a couple feet to grow on. Cut it and burn both ends. That's Maggie. Now the next step is the more complicated one. So let's go back down here and look. So what we actually want to do is loop this through here, like this. And then we want to loop the paracord all the way through. We want to loop these guys through here. Loosen that up a little bit and put this one on this side and this one on this side. And so you'll see there's basically 4 strands that we're going to be working with. 2 of these strands connect us to this part, and the other 2 strands are all of the paracord that we're going to be using. But first we need to get these suckers all the way in. Try to feed these ends through. Look at that, I cut myself on the knife. Be careful with knives. And what you should see is basically 4 loops on either side. Now for the magic. Let me adjust this a little bit. There we go. Alright. So basically you want to make sure that your long paracord is in the middle, but to start, go around and over. We start on the other side. And so we go around and under, like that. And it's the same thing. So around and under, around and over, around and over, around and under. So I'm on the bottom, I go over, through, and under. I'm on the top, so I go under, through, and over. Okay, so we are coming towards the end here. And so what we need to do is kind of tie this off. So what I usually do is I use this side, I go around one more time, and then I go through. And under. On this one, all I do is go over and around. I don't go through. And then what I can do is cut these down. So I'm actually gonna cut these down long. Burn the ends. And then really just any sort of knot will do. Okay, so what I usually do to finish these off is I'll cut these off really close and burn them. In fact, I'll almost melt them to the knot just to make sure that's secure. And I will also cut these really close and burn those off. But before I do that, I want to show you how quick it is to release all this paracord. Alright, so we'll hit start, and what we want to do is undo this knot and pull these 2 pieces out. Just pull this. Whoops, wrong way. No, wait. There we go. There we go. And there you go. What is it? 46 seconds. For 10 feet of paracord. That's what you need in a survival situation. You don't want to be spending 5 minutes undoing paracord. So now I need to remake this thing. Alright, I've remade it, and I am at the point where I need to tie it all up. So basically just tie it and cut it and burn it. This knot is actually kind of loose, so one thing you can do to just try to make sure it doesn't come loose is just run some heat over it a little bit. Try to get it to just melt just a little bit. So it fits pretty snug. I like them. I actually like them snug, so this is a good fit for me. And that's how you create a proper paracord survival bracelet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like, and if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate that. Don't forget, I am giving away one of these YouTube wooden play buttons. So go to my website, livefreeanddiy.tv, for the details. I'll put a link here to the contest. So I might give this away too. I'm not really sure. Maybe next month. Well, I think that's about it for this video. Thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you in a few days with a vlog update. Thanks again. Bye.
Bye-bye.